At na lang to.
Hindi, ano lang.
Ito na lang. Let's go!
Yeah, a little bit. There's just so much to choose.
We have here the Madrid School. This is a new staff number. Very new and customers surroundings. This event period is really not reward. The size of the club. The demands the price. The perfect way to succeed. Snap, girls like us.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower.
I'm getting a little bit of everything. I'll take the classes.
So hello, good day, panelists. My name is Sion Audrey Baguio, the CEO of Reps Scoops and Chips. And our business has 13 members who are currently studying entrepreneurship and exploring the business world. Each member can take on a specific role, whether it's handling finances, marketing, or customer relations, helping the team run smoothly. So let me introduce the other co-members, starting with the target market and main value proposition.
Angel Dilaway, the Vice President in Marketing. And I am here to talk about the target customers and the main value proposition. Our target customers are the busy professionals and students. Our store is opening its doors at 8:30 a.m. to catch the early crowd of busy professionals and students. Because these customers only have limited time to eat, we offer a morning rush menu with grab-and-go options. Basically, there are some snacks that are already prepared and they don't have to customize their food. Additionally, this offer will only be applied every morning. Local residents, families, individuals who only live near our store will receive an offer buy one take one during slower periods. This allows our business to connect with the residents directly and to promote it. Lastly, tourists and visitors. We have a social media account who can use it to post some unique offerings that can easily attract the tourists and visitors. We will use relevant hashtags to reach the right audience.
My name is Rosmaria Bukawi. I'm the Vice President Administration. I'm here to talk about the product and service of Movies. We provide free shipping within the city and have a buffet-style service where customers can choose their own toppings and sauces online or in store. Our snacks are customizable, affordable, and made with high-quality ingredients, ensuring great value for money.
I'm Cassandra James Gislar, and I am the Vice President of Research and Development. My statement is financial forecast and expected return. Reps Scoops and Chips made a total revenue of 60,000 pesos by selling 1,000 beverages, juice, and 500 snack bars. With a cost of goods sold of 17,500 pesos, the business has a break-even point of 100 units and a net profit margin of 44.6%, showing good financial health.
I am Jenny Alessa, Vice President of Administration. The capital structure and financial offering returns and benefits to investors, financiers, business partners. The capital structure and financial offering is divided into two parts. Part 1 is the capital structure. This section explains how the company maintains financial stability concerning its funding sources. It describes as crucial for the master budget and overall financial health. The goal is to provide a clear understanding of the financial position and future plan. The table illustrates the company structure of Reps, Scoop, and Chips. indicating improved financial performance. However, there was a slight increase in debt in 2026 and 2028.
My name is Christian Caballero Valores. I'm the Vice President of Finance and Accounting. Today I'll tackle about financial offering. So for the financial offering, it provides a thorough examination of cash flow between stockholders and creditors, aiming to ensure the fair distribution of funds. Investors are crucial to a company's success and expansion, highlighting the establishing clear and trustworthy connection with their investors. Our investors have been crucial in reducing capital costs, securing loans, and providing investment funds. While there are many benefits to our financial offering, there are also some potential drawbacks. For our finances, their benefits are revenue sharing, equity growth, scalability, and expansion opportunities. And for business partners, our shared profit, established brand recognition, having more connection to food industry. And for lastly, investors are high return on investment, which is ROI, and equity ownership will grow their wealth and access to emerging trends.